through how to update your site and turn in the link to classroom assignments. So just as a reminder, you're always going to use your site to hold all of the assignments and work and workshops and projects that you've done this year. So when you turn in work for a grade, you are turning in the link to your website that has that work, okay? You are not uploading your work straight to Classroom. Most of you are great about this, so we just need a little reminder about how to update your site efficiently, okay? So the first thing is to find your site, all right? If you have a crowded drive, it may be hard to find. It might be just right up here like mine is. And if it's not, you can just click in the search bar and click on sites. And yours will be visible somewhere. Mine is here, so I click here. When you open your site, this is what's called the editing screen or editing view. It has my website here and it has all these controls, all right? So let's imagine, just for the sake of this video, that Ms. Rivera has asked you to upload something to the workshop page. So you've done the work, now you need to upload it to your workshop page. So you click the workshop, you have your previous assignments here, and then most likely you have some placeholders here, all right? If there's no placeholders on a particular page, you can just click any of these tools, which is inserting a text box, which looks like this, inserting an image, or you can choose one of these layouts that's already set up for you. So if you click here, it'll automatically create this nice layout for you, okay? But this layout's already here for me, so I'm going to use it. I want to upload a photo. Most of the time you will upload some sort of photo. You can upload the photo from your drive. You can upload it from your computer, which is this choice, or you can, this will take you to where you can Google search for a particular image. You will never use that because all of the imagery and all of the work that you're uploading to this site is your own, okay? So you should have already uploaded the photos to your drive, but if it's easier for you to just upload to your computer, you would select this and find it on your computer. I don't recommend that because it just takes space up on your hard drive, okay? This option will allow you to paste a YouTube video. Super easy. You always have the option of adding a video instead of text, okay? So if you cannot take photos or you don't want to and you don't feel like writing, you can make a video showing your work and basically describing what I've asked you to describe in text. It is a little more work for some people, but some people prefer to do a video, okay? It's your choice. So for the sake of this example, I'm just gonna select an image from my drive. Here's my drive right here. It's usually gonna be under recent if you just uploaded it. I just have teacher stuff. So let me find a picture. Okay, I'll upload this picture. Let's act like it's a maker assignment, okay? So select, insert. Now you can drag the size of the photo around. It's kind of laggy depending on your computer, but it works. It's pretty easy, okay? I think the bigger the picture, the better, but it's up to you, okay? And then you're gonna insert your text. So usually I will tell you what you need to type here, all right? So after you have that all done, you wanna make sure that that post is at the top. So whatever recent work you've done it actually needs to be at the top. So it should be in an order where I see the most recent work on top. So you literally just click here and you can drag it around, all right? And then you always want to hit publish. It's gonna prompt you with this window. Hit publish. Okay. What happens if you need to make changes to your work? Well, you're still in the editing screen, so just work on it and republish it, okay? This is basically like a Google Doc, so treat it the same way. Now you want to turn in your finished work to Classroom. You want to show me that you did this update specifically. So you click here, View Published Site. All right, so I have this example right here. This is my post. The problem is I don't have a header to create a link. So actually I need to go back. So I need to go back to this editing. I need to give myself a header. Okay. Don't worry, I will always tell you what to title it. Hit publish again. If you make any changes, that's super important. All right, now I can go to View Publish Site. And when I hover over the title of my post, the header, this little guy will pop up. I click on it to copy it because what you're turning in is this post. It's going to take me to this most recent post instead of me having to search around on your website. Okay, so make sure you copy that. Go to Classroom. All right, these are my classes, so it's hard for me to show you from a student point of view. So I am going to go to Mr. Keating's room just to show you an example of where you would go to turn in a link. So don't get confused. I'm just going to a random classroom, okay? So let's say Mr. Keating is asking us to turn in a link to that assignment. Click on the assignment, add or create, and then link. And then just paste that link. Add link. He's going to be very confused that I turned this in. Okay, and then turn in. All right, I'm not really going to turn it in because again, it's going to confuse him. So that's all you do. Okay, so after a while, this will be second nature to you. The benefit to this is that you get to see all your work at once. And it's going to be really easy to reflect on it at the end of the quarter and at the end of the semester, okay? This is the model site that you guys look to for guidance, so I'm going to delete this post that makes no sense, all right? And then I made a change, so I want to make sure to publish it, all right? Now you guys won't see that in real life, okay? I think that's it. If you want to update your site, make sure this is changed. There will be an assignment that we will get to eventually where you update this homepage in a particular way, but for right now, you can just do what you like, okay? Hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.